Step 1. Place PVC center support in center of basin. The hole in the side of the support should face away from installed grate, toward the corner where the pump will sit. Now place the screened grate without pump access onto the clean water-filled basin. Step 2. Connect the PVC discharge assembly to the pump, then attach black kink-free hose to the discharge assembly. Step 3. Place the pump assembly in the basin, laying the pump on its side for better hose placement. Feed the hose through side hole in PVC support and up through the center of the grate, leaving several inches of hose above the grate. Step 4. Place the remaining screened grate with the pump access on the basin. The access should be over the pump. Pull the pump cord through access in the grate without getting the plug wet. Step 5. Lay the lights on the basin center next to the extending hose, with the cords off to the side toward your electrical source. The light cords will sit underneath the support ring. Place support ring in the center of the grates. This support ring will allow the metal bowl to be easily leveled without shims, simply by shifting it. Step 6. Lift the bowl onto the support ring and hold at an angle to be able to pass the hose and lights through the hole in the bottom. It helps to have another person for this step. Tilt and hold the bowl while feeding the hose and lights up through the bottom of the bowl. Gently set the bowl on the ring and visually level it. Step 7. Place the acrylic support in the center of the bowl while reaching through to pull the lights and water hose through. Slide the lights on the 3 posts on the support cylinder. The posts are designed to hold the lights in place. The light cords will still be lying across the basin ready to be plugged in. Step 8. Attach the fountain intake assembly to the water flow control at the bottom of the sphere. Lift the sphere and set gently on the bowl's edge, taking care not to scratch it. Carefully balance the sphere in the bowl. Attach the hose to the other end of the intake assembly. Step 9. Set fountain in place. Notice that the sphere's base plate has a groove that matches the diameter of the acrylic support base. Gently lift the sphere and set the support base so that the groove in the base sits perfectly on the acrylic support cylinder's rim. Step 10. It is important that the fountain is leveled before adding water to the sphere and metal bowl, as they become very heavy. First, level the metal bowl by using a 4-foot level. Be sure to level the metal bowl from 2 to 3 positions. You can slide the bowl on the support ring to easily adjust without needing shims. Now level the sphere base plate from 2 to 3 positions as well, adjusting the way the acrylic support sits in the bowl. Step 11. Fill the fountain and plug in lights. You may plug the lights in at any time. Turn on the fountain pump. It takes 25 to 30 minutes to fill the sphere, which then fills the bowl with water. When you turn off the fountain pump, it takes approximately 10 to 15 minutes to drain. Do not make adjustments to the sphere once the sphere is full of water. For general fountain system maintenance, add a half to 1 ounce of algae treatment to the water every week. We've included a 16-ounce bottle of algae dissolve, which should last about 4 to 6 months.